Hi everyone and welcome. So today we're going to take a little adventure out to a place called Sutton Hoo here in Suffolk. It's probably one of the most important archaeological finds ever. It's the place where a burial ground was found and excavated, and a massive boat was discovered here and buried treasure from the Anglo-Saxon period. So yeah, let's have a walk around, folks. Enjoy. This is the recreation of what the ship would have looked like. Obviously, all they actually found was the imprint of the ship, along with the buried treasure. But they do believe it was Anglo-Saxon King Redwold that was buried here. Right, the first place we're going, folks, is over to the house. This is the plant garden, so checking it out. So, ladies' mantle, healing properties, soapwort, known as Fuller's herb, crushed and boiled in water. The herb produces a mildly soapy liquid, ideal for washing delicate fabrics. This you can make a soap lot. Oh yeah, ladies' mantle. Got some fennel, settling stomach issues, and for gripe water for infants. So, gripe water. Lady bed straw. Sage. We know what sage is for. What's this one here? Tansy. So obviously this is the real house and not the house that was in the movie. This is Robert Pretty. So looking at the landscape, to the left is the Royal Burial Ground. The burial mounds were once visible from a great distance along the river. They were a signpost to the front door of the East Anglian Kingdom. So we'll look around. This is the one hoe on this side. The left, then if we go to the right we have the second hoe. Old English, Sutton Hoo, Sutton Hoo. Modern English, southern settlement area of raised land. So the river is at the bottom of the hill. You can't see it at the moment. And East Anglia was ruled by a powerful king named Redwold. The river Devon was then clearly visible from here, and it was a vital transport link which was under his control. His royal court was at Rendlesham. And when Redwald died, the Anglo-Saxon mourners dragged his great ship from the river all the way up to be buried with the king. So here is part of the valley. The river's down the bottom there. It's Easter at the time of filming, hence why there's so many Easter bunnies around. So we're coming up to where the mounds are now. Reconstruction of a drinking horn. So this is a Byzantine bucket which was discovered here and was actually made 2,000 miles away in the Mediterranean. This is chainmail, replica reconstruction of what was worn. It weighs so much, folks, and it kind of tells you he was buried in something similar to this, and it weighed between 15 and 20 kilograms. Sword and scabbard, highly prized weapon. The king